They say grape planting takes up a lot of space, but if you do it this way, you can harvest high yields in less than 1 square meter. Cut old grape branches from the neighbor's vine into short pieces. Each section should have at least 2 nodes. Peel the bark off the bottom end of the cutting. Scrape away 2 to 3 centimeters of bark. Chop onion into small bits to promote root growth. Place the onion bits on a tissue. Wrap them around the peeled part of the grape cutting. Roll it up. Chop banana into pieces. Mix with potting soil in a container. Blend it all well. Choose loose and breathable soil. Put it into seedling cups. Then plant the grape cuttings wrapped with onion inside. Water well and keep them in a cool, ventilated place. Use a tray with water at the bottom to maintain humidity, or cover with a plastic bag if you don't have one. After 20 days, the grape cuttings sprouted new leaves. At this stage, half the success is achieved. By day 40, the grape seedlings had grown much taller, strong enough to bask in the sunlight. New leaves darkened with photosynthesis. At this point, they need a bigger growing space. Most importantly, grapevines need climbing support. Fill an old tire with soil. It makes a perfect planting container. Fix an old bicycle wheel above, directly aligned with the tire below. Drill holes in the tire, tie ropes, stretch them up, and connect to the wheel above. With multiple ropes tied, you've built a trellis for the vines to climb. It doesn't take much space. The height depends on how far you extend it upward. Dig 2 holes inside the tire. Plant the seedlings with their soil into it. This organic soil provides enough nutrients during growth. Later, when grapes flower, add potassium fertilizer. It makes the grapes sweeter. Don't overwater to avoid root rot. After 2 months, vines started climbing. If they spread randomly, you can train them. By 3 months, the vines had many tendrils. The lower stems were already turning woody, a good sign. By 4 months, pests appeared on the leaves, so I had to take measures. I chopped chili peppers and garlic, soaked them in a bottle with water for 30 minutes, filtered and poured into a spray bottle, sprayed both sides of the leaves. This removes pests if present and prevents them if not. After 10 days, leaves looked healthy again. Pests were gone successfully. Growth sped up afterward. The vines already climbed beyond the trellis. By the 6th month, the grapevines flowered. Tiny white blossoms lasting about 3 weeks. After flowering, the fruit began to swell. I mixed dried coconut husks with banana and added fermented compost. During fruit enlargement, this provided potassium, sulfur, amino acids, and minerals. I dug around the pod edges, added the mixture, covered with soil, and watered. By 9 months, the grapes ripened. Clusters hung from the vines, easy to pick by hand. The vines stayed trained on the trellis, so I could enjoy grapes anytime.